Well, goddamn. This happened last night. We got a blowout. Yeah. It's a blowout beyond belief. I'm gonna take the tire off here. Hopefully I can salvage the rim. Nice looking wheels. The pressure sensor there, I'm not sure if it's in any good shape. We're okay. That's the important part, right? I'm hoping this wheel is nice and true still. I think it is. I'm going to do a video cutting the rest of this bullshit off with the trusty Sawzall and a trusty brutal pry bar here. Always got to have a pry bar. Always. So I'm going to show you the rest of this disaster here. Yeah, it's not fun. I mean, the tires are pretty incredible. This side seems like it's fine because I'm guessing most of the weight was on the inside of the completely destroyed tire and the rim. And look at this thing. So this is a Michelin, I think. Yeah, it's a Michelin. You can see the remainders there. Man, it's pretty chewed up. See the markings here. Or you can't because it won't focus. Come on, you shit. Okay, so as long as the bead here where the actual tire is going to mount to is intact, it'll hold air on both sides. TPMS here, the tire pressure monitor sensor. I've never really looked at these before. Oh shit. Why is it out of focus? I've never really looked at these before. So, you know, I it's obviously easy swap. There's a little hole there. It picks up the sensor data to send it to the. I'm trying to get a little shot so you can see through it. So there's the pressure able to enter the device, whatever here. But it's wiggly. I'm not, and I can't imagine it could have fared well with any of this chaotic shit happening for, I don't know, about 45 miles. No, I'm kidding. Not 45 miles. Maybe like a mile, maybe. I don't know, but it's interesting to see the tire. Here's your bias ply or whatever what they call that. Again, it's a Michelin, but the tire was, I think, overinflated on top of having a small hole. I could probably even find it. I bet you I could. I think this is where it started. It doesn't matter. Look, I don't think the tires were usable. I'm thinking, I mean, maybe a little more miles I'll get out of this thing. Shit, you know. Nah, obviously it's dog shit. I think the plan now is to just go ahead and just try to tackle this. Here we go. Look at the steel belted radial. That's what I call that. Steel belted radial. Here's your belt of steel. Not much left of that. God damn. I'm just hoping this wheel is good still. I'm thinking it is. When I've got to somehow pry this shit off and then cut it also. Let's just get down to brass tacks here. I mean, what can I say? Shit happens, right? So this happened on the front left driver's side of the vehicle, a blowout on the freeway. Luckily, everything more or less turned out okay. My goal here is to cut this. The tires are tough as shit, man. So you gotta really, you know, you gotta really gotta cut this shit off. Can you see it? Let's see here. Making some sort of progress here. You beating me, tire. Ah. That dirt there. God damn. We're getting there. Just about that through there. All right, I think I'm getting close. Keep smoking. I don't give a fuck. Let's go. All right. Okay. So that's one half of the tire I can get off. The next problem is gonna be the other side. Let's see. I mean, I could have taken to the tire shop, but I don't want these guys to deal with this shit, especially when I can do it at home, you know? This is the tricky part, because the bead isn't, it's not set, but it sure is, it is on there, man. I think I might get a little soap going, or something. Gotta get that separated from the rim. Now I know it's a pretty pathetic attempt right now. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna hit this rim here with the bead here with some soap. Hopefully that'll let me at least get into the crack. See if I can get some movement out of this thing. You know, I mean, shit. I don't got. You need like a Coates 4040, whatever it's called, Coates tire press thing to get this thing off. Not sure if it's gonna work, but I'm thinking it's possible. Now the goal here obviously is to get this bead to slip down here into this lower area so I can pry it up and cut it off. But naturally it's really on there, and I mean it's not even like a locked bead or nothing like that. It is just really on there. I'm not gonna give up just yet. Guess who just got an idea? Now this ain't some backyard bullshit I ain't ever seen. This definitely is. Obviously my weight's not enough, but I guess I'm just trying to get it high enough to maybe kick it off. Some dumbass shit. Yeah, I don't think I'm getting any luck, man. This is pretty bad. It's just right there, man. Some dumbass hick shit. Spot, maybe get a little grip out of it. It's budging a little bit. Might be going to the shop.